Station, and there is the nearby attraction Syntagma also. You can find lots of reviews and rating letters online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.